Another day, another story. Rainfall is a vital aspect of our planet's climate and plays a significant role in shaping the landscapes, ecosystems, and livelihoods of various regions. While rainfall patterns vary across the globe, certain countries experience exceptionally high levels of precipitation year after year. These regions boast lush rainforests, diverse wildlife, and thriving ecosystems that owe their existence to the abundant rainfall they receive. Throughout this video, we will highlight interesting facts, weather patterns, and environmental significance associated with the high annual rainfall in these countries. Prepare to embark on a fascinating exploration of the wettest places on our planet, where rainfall is both a blessing and a driving force behind the extraordinary diversity and natural wonders that exist within these regions. Number 1. Cherrapunji, India. Cherrapunji is a sub-divisional town of East Khasi Hills district, in the Indian state of Meghalaya. It is the traditional capital of Karmasora, Khasi tribal kingdom. Cherrapunji receives rains from the Bay of Bengal arm of the Indian summer monsoon. The extreme amount of rainfall is perhaps the best-known feature of orographic rain in northeastern India. Interestingly, Cherrapunji is also famous for its living bridges. Over hundreds of years the people have developed techniques for growing roots of trees into large bridges. The process takes 10 to 15 years, and the bridges typically last hundreds of years, the oldest ones in use being over 500 years old. Number 2. Colombia. Located in the northwestern part of South America, Colombia shares borders with Venezuela, Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, and Panama. Colombia is known for its diverse ecosystems, including the Amazon rainforest and the Andes Mountains, which contribute to its high rainfall levels. The city of Yoro in Colombia is often recognized as one of the wettest places on Earth, receiving an average annual rainfall of over 13,000 millimeters, 511 inches. Number 3. Papua New Guinea. Situated in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, Papua New Guinea occupies the eastern half of the island of New Guinea, along with numerous smaller islands. Papua New Guinea is located in the tropical rainforest belt, experiencing heavy rainfall throughout the year. The country's mountainous terrain contributes to the formation of rain clouds, resulting in abundant rainfall in various regions. Number 4. Solomon Islands. The Solomon Islands are an archipelago in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, east of Papua New Guinea. The Solomon Islands have a tropical rainforest climate, with significant rainfall occurring year-round. Heavy rainfall contributes to the country's rich biodiversity, supporting lush rainforests and diverse ecosystems. Number 5. Costa Rica. Located in Central America, Costa Rica is bordered by Nicaragua to the north, and Panama to the south. It has coastlines on both the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Costa Rica's rainfall patterns are influenced by both the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean, resulting in high precipitation levels. The country experiences a wet season from May to November, with the Caribbean coast receiving more rainfall than the Pacific coast. Number 6. Malaysia. Situated in Southeast Asia, Malaysia is divided into two regions. Peninsular Malaysia is located on the Malay Peninsula, sharing borders with Thailand and Singapore. East Malaysia occupies the northern part of the island of Borneo, sharing borders with Indonesia and Brunei. Malaysia has a tropical climate, with high levels of rainfall distributed throughout the year. Number 7. Brunei. Brunei is a small country located on the northern coast of the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. It shares borders with Malaysia, and has coastlines on the South China Sea. Brunei experiences a tropical rainforest climate, characterized by high humidity and abundant rainfall. The country's rainforests are known for their exceptional biodiversity, partly due to the significant rainfall they receive. Number 8. Ecuador. Situated in western South America, Ecuador is bordered by Colombia to the north and Peru to the east and south. Ecuador's rainfall patterns vary based on its diverse geography, with the coastal region experiencing a wet season, from December to May, and the Amazon rainforest region receiving rainfall throughout the year. The city of Esmeraldas in Ecuador is known for its high annual precipitation, making it one of the wettest places in the country. Number 9. Panama. Located in Central America, Panama forms the narrow land bridge connecting North and South America. It is bordered by Costa Rica to the west and Colombia to the east, with coastlines on the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Panama has a tropical climate, with high levels of rainfall due to its proximity to the equator, and its dense rainforests. The country experiences a rainy season from May to November, with the Caribbean coast receiving more rainfall than the Pacific coast. Number 10. Fiji Islands in Oceania. Fiji is an archipelago in the South Pacific Ocean, northeast of Australia. It is located between Vanuatu to the east, and Tonga to the west. Fiji has a tropical climate, with a wet season from November to April and a dry season from May to October. The country's high rainfall supports its lush vegetation, including rainforests and vibrant coral reefs. As we conclude our exploration of the top 10 countries with the highest annual rainfall, it becomes evident that rainfall is not merely a meteorological phenomenon, but a force that shapes landscapes, sustains ecosystems, and defines the very essence of these regions. Throughout our journey, we've witnessed how high annual rainfall can be both a blessing and a challenge for these countries. It sustains the life-giving forces of nature, enabling flourishing rainforests, nurturing unique flora and fauna, and providing vital resources for local communities. The exploration of these wettest places on Earth serves as a reminder of the intricate relationship between climate, rainfall, and the delicate balance of nature. I hope this video is informative. Like and subscribe to see more interesting content. Thanks for watching.